Alright, so today I want to talk about this accessory kit that I purchased on Amazon. I'll put the link below if you want to get one. And it basically just comes with almost everything you can think of here in this neat little pack carrying case, I guess. It's got a little handle on it, as you can see. They don't really say how to place certain items, like what goes in each one of these, not that I saw. There is a... this talked about the carrying case, but it doesn't say where everything goes. I guess you just figure it out yourself. But it's called the Action Camera Accessory Kit. Action Camera Accessory Kit. And then it shows you how to put together everything. I'm holding the tripod right now in my hand because that's one of the things I wanted to get. So let's just see if we can window how it would work. So you would stick it here, obviously on any surface it's going to stick to, and then just clamp it, and it does pretty good. So that's just the first time I've ever done that. And then of course you're going to need one of these guys, and you would slide it in there to pop it, and then hold the camera on there. So that's the suction cup. And here's a bunch of other these small little items: straps, wrist strap, bunch of 3M ones if you want to make it, semi-permanent. Selfie stick. I don't know yet what that one's for, but we'll figure it out later. There's a head strap, then there's a chest strap, and then there's one for going in the water, as they kind of show it right here. That's what that's for. But I think this was all under $30 for everything on here, so not bad. This is like a helmet extender. I'm not a bike rider, so I won't use that, but it's got all these extra connections. So for the price, I think it's not a bad deal. With my original bundle, this is what I got right here, which was these items. This is the head one, and then some other ones. I never found out really what this one's for, or how to use it. You have to stick it into something to hold it. But anyway, maybe it's a bike helmet thing. But yeah, here's all these items. And, again, for the price, not bad. Especially that little suction cup guy and the tripod that I have now. So I'm going to try to take the thing off the tripod and undo it here. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. This tripod is going to really come in handy for like phone case reviews and stuff like that I'm going to do here pretty soon. Taking it off the tripod. So here's our tripod. That's what I was just had it on there. And so you can maneuver it and wrap it around different things. So pretty cool device. And so anyway, I just want to do this quick video on this accessory kit. I think it's, for the money, it's not a bad deal. And so yeah, if you have any questions, please comment below, and I'm going to take advantage of all these things, I think. And as always, please subscribe.